SAS interview question and answer question number 84. What happens when proc SQL processes a summary function without a group by clause? This question is asking about while using proc SQL, when we use summary function without group by clause, what will happen? Without group by clause, for example, sum function, it displays all rows and each row shows total record count. But in case of with group by clause, it displays summary statistics of grouping variable. To explain this question, choose dataset is used from SAS help library. Further to explain to this question, we have two set of code. First one is without group by clause. Second one is with group by clause. Let me go through the first without group by clause. It starts with proc SQL, create table without group by. We are selecting here reason. We are using sum function for returns and min function for returns from SAS help.shows. That means we are going to calculate total number of returns by region wise and total number of returns mean value by region wise. When we run for set of code, that means without group by clause, it will display the result as shown on the right side first table. Table has included total 395 records, but partial result is displayed here. Table is showing total returns is total number of returns from all region. Similarly, min returns is showing total returns divided by number of rows. This result is not correct because we are going to calculate region wise total returns. But in this table, it has displayed total returns for all rows equal. That means this is the number it is showing for all records. Similarly, this is the number it is showing for mean returns for all records, all regions, which is not correct. That's why without using by clause, group by clause, it will result a wrong information. Next, what will happen with group by clause? Second example is here. It starts with proc SQL, create table with group by, selecting a region using sum function for returns and min function for returns from SAS help.shows, group by region, and run. When we run second set of code, then it will generate the result as shown on the right side, second table, where it has displayed all the regions, total returns by region, total min returns by region. This is the correct information. That's why without using group function, it will display or it will result wrong information. If we run the same set of code with a SAS window, it will display the same result. Let me go to the SAS window and run the same set of code. This is a real SAS window. It has two programs. One is SAS program without group by clause. Next one is SAS program with group by clause. First one is proc SQL. We are creating table. That means this program will create not a result, it will create output data set. Without group by, this is the table name. We are selecting here region, returns, we are using sum function, and we are using min function with returns. Similarly, in case of group by clause, we are using here extra statement group by reason. Let me run two set of code and observe the result. This is the result obtained from without group by. This is the output data set. This data set has 395 records and total returns value is same for all rows, all records. Similarly, mean returns value is same for all rows, which is not correct. That's why without using group by clause, it will result wrong information. Let me go through the another data set with group by. This is the result obtained from second set of code where we have used group by clause, group by reason. That's why it has displayed information, total returns and mean returns by group wise. That means in case of Africa, it has this number, Asia, it has this number. Numbers are different. In this way, we can identify what is the difference between group by clause, using group by clause or without using group by clause in case of proc SQL summary function. That's all about question number 84. Thank you.